Perfect. No one's home. Now to pick this lock and break in.
Yeah. Better know. Lock your windows, close your doors, get the smalls.
Too easy. McGruff who? I'm the real crime dog. Best get on my mask. I'm all left paws. Almost there. No one will recognize me in this get-up. This place is dirtier than I am. Best check the upstairs first. The coast is clear. Back downstairs for the good stuff. All right. I admit this mask is ridiculous. Get this off of me. Much better. Now I can actually see what I'm stealing. This smells promising. Jackpot. There's nothing like seconds. Or for that matter, thirds. Best not get too greedy. Might attract unwanted attention. What about fourths? I'm bored already. And tired. I could use a snooze. This ain't bad. Something's not right. There, that's better. Time to get this gook and snot off my face. That doesn't taste half bad. Man, I bore easy. What the f*** was that? I'm out of here. And I'm back with a snack. Okay, that was a little frightening. I mean, really. What the f*** was that earlier? Giving me the willies. I'll eat this somewhere else. Back downstairs. There's gotta be something better around here. Well, what do you know? A strong box. Soft in the middle. Well, what have we here? Golden. Nothing like dried up cow skin. I gotta get out of here. No prison bars can hold me back. Like taking mama's regurgitation from a puppy. I'm on the run now.
Give me the loot! Give me the loot! Give me the loot!
They ain't nothing like the feeling of getting away with something you ain't supposed to.
Give me the loot! Give me the loot!
But there ain't nothing worse than getting caught doing it.
Give me the loot!
I need to hightail it out of here.
Give me the loot! Give me
Crime dog out.
big up, it's a stick up, and I'm shooting again quick if you hiccup. Don't let me throw my clip up, and I'm robbing bitches too. Up the herringbones and bamboos, shit is real. When it's time to eat a meal, I rob and steal. Word to mother, I'm dangerous, crazier than a bag of the angel dust. Screwed and bruised up from the pistol whipping, webs on the neck from the necklace strip.